There you go.
Hello everyone. So today, me and Jake, our son, me and Daryl's son, are going to make a kebab. So you tell them, what do we have in this?
Onion.
So we're going to put an onion, and what else are we going to put in it? Onion, and here we have, it's the Meatless Farm Co Company. Yeah, you're telling them what we're going to do. So we're using this is a meat alternative. We use a lot of no meat products, so it would be a lot of corn, tofu, but you can alternatively use regular meat. Right. So here we have the vegan meat. I think it's so cool. It looks amazingly like meat, just the way, you know, it's like shaped. Or this. Oh yeah, so we're doing the onion now. You tell them we're doing an onion. Okay guys, so that is the skin taken off the onion there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just chop it up. So basically I just do it the easier way. I chop it up just into a few big sections and put it into a blender. Now what I'm going to say is when you're using the blender, make sure you don't overdo it because it can go quite mushy, the onion. So it's just trying to get the balance of it when you are trying to do it in a blender. It's just, it saves time. So literally just chop it up. I usually do it as small as I need to, depending on the blender. Like if you've got a bigger blender, you can do bigger chunks really. But this is a smaller blender. Jakey, you gonna come and help me?
No.
Come and help me.
No.
No, why? You gonna go play? So this is one onion I'm using. So what you need is you can use whatever type of meat you want, whether it's vegan, vegetarian, or actual mincemeat, that's fine. And then I put the onion in it, pepper as well, and salt. Okay guys, so I have just blended the onions there, that's there. Still, it's really hard to get them to not go mushy, I find. That's why I'm not always keen on doing it like this, but my husband likes them very, very fine, whereas I'm not too fussed on if it's a little bit chunky, you know, the onion. But it doesn't, it's not like you're going to taste it mushy anyway. I'm vegetarian, so it's quite good to have the options for people. So anyway, this is the meat, the vegan meat. I'm going to put this in. So yeah, I give it like a massage as well, if you were wondering what I was doing there with it. Kind of I think it's to tenderize it. No, I could be wrong. I'm just going by what I know my family, you know, would have done. This is pretty tender though, this texture of vegan mince. Hi guys, there was a little bit of a glitch there. New with this whole like mini GoPro, it's a different like brand, but anyway, this camera, and I think maybe I didn't hit it enough times or something. This is the final product of making it. What I had was about a teaspoon of salt, and to be honest with you, I don't really measure the pepper. You know yourself how much you like in it. Just, you know, put as much as you like. Make sure it's all massaged in there. If you want to approximate amount, 2 to 3, like 30 minutes, and have it on 155. Sometimes 150. It just depends. I like to put it up higher now because sometimes it can take forever to cook. With the meat, if you're actually using minced meat, it might take longer now. It could be 40 minutes. So just keep checking it. It should go like a nice, like quite dark brown. If you like it like that, I like my meat done well. With this vegan mince, I find that it'll just go like a grey colour. So just keep checking it. That's all you can really do. So yeah, that's it guys. Thanks for watching.